Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Amarok. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 204 PS 3 litre turbo diesel V6 engine, and it also has an automatic gearbox. This Amarok is a 4Motion with a Truckman GLS back in body colour. This Amarok is a used 70 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Moving around the van, you will notice it's fitted with Xenon headlights with LED daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you'll notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. The centre grille is chrome with a V6 badge. This Amarok is fitted with 19-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. On both sides of the vehicle, you will notice chrome styling bars. The mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. Moving away from the Amarok, you will notice that to the back of the vehicle, it's fitted with privacy glass. As you can see, I've opened the rear door so you can see inside the cab. On the outer rear seats, you'll notice Isofix anchorage points for the correct child seat. As we move up, you'll notice a window. This is ideal for extra vision for the driver. Here we have two handy cup holders for the rear passengers. We are now at the back of the Amarok. As you will notice, it's fitted with chrome rear bumper with step. It's also fitted with a tow bar. As you can also notice, it's fitted with the Amarok V6 and 4Motion badging and also the VW emblem in the trunk lid. As you can see, the load area is now open. As you can see, it's in very clean condition. It's also fitted with load lashing rings to secure your loads whilst in transit. This Amarok is fitted with heavy duty suspension. As you'll also notice, it's fitted with a Truckman GLS back in body colour. As you can also notice, it's got roof rails and a roof spoiler. Here we have a side opening windows. This Amarok looks stunning in tornado red. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides of the steering wheel. Both front doors come with some handy storage in the bottom of the doors. In the centre of the dash, you'll notice a 12-volt socket and some more handy storage. This Amarok is fitted with 5 comfortable seats in Vienna leather. As you can see, they're in superb condition. It's also fitted with a armrest for added comfort on long journeys. This now ends my 360 walk around the Amarok. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the working controls inside the cab. I'd also like to show you some key features on the centre media screen. I'm now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you'll notice mirror and electric window controls. This Amarok is also fitted with auto headlights. To this side of the steering wheel, you'll notice media controls. On this side of the steering wheel, you'll notice volume controls. This Amarok has covered 15,421 miles. To the centre of the dash, you'll notice it's fitted with a 6.3 colour touchscreen multimedia system with satellite navigation. As you can see, it's easy to use. Just pinch your finger across the screen. You can also find your ideal location if needed. This system is also fitted with a CD player, which is here. It's also fitted with an SD card 1 slot, which is here. It's also fitted with another SD card reader. It's also fitted with USB, and also it's fitted with a AUX port, and this system is also fitted with DAB radio. This system is also fitted with App Connect. This allows you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps on your smartphone to the system, e.g. music or maps. I'm just going to pop the vehicle into reverse so I can show you that the Amarok is fitted with a reverse camera. It's also fitted with Park Pilot technology for your front and rear parking sensors. Moving away from the centre screen, you'll notice that this Amarok is fitted with dual climate control, so the passenger and driver can have different heat temperatures. They're easy to adjust, just use the outer control switches. You can also sync both temperatures together, so the cab will stop at the same heat. Here we have the fan speed motor switch. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Moving down, you will notice it's fitted with two 12-volt sockets. Both front seats are heated for the driver and for the passenger. They're easy to adjust, just repress the switch to change the temperature. Now for a quick recap over the video. This is a Volkswagen Amarok. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 204 PS 3 litre turbo diesel V6 engine. It's also fitted with a automatic gearbox. It's also a 4Motion. If you'd like any more information on this used 70 plate Amarok, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be able to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed video around the Amarok. You could also ask for a test drive and also ask about any finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.